As an early careers development scientist, I will try to cover microbial and mammalian process development in regards to upstream process development.
Welcome to Sci Focus by Biopatrika. Myself, Dr. Tarneet Kaur. I'm your host for today. Today we have our guest, Dr. Abhinav Jain. Dr. Abhinav Jain is scientist at IGM Biosciences, California, USA. So I welcome you here on the behalf of Biopatrika.
Thanks for having me here. I'm excited to be part of this event in India in collaboration with the ACS BIOT community.
Okay. Could you just briefly tell us about yourself and your current role?
Yeah, so I graduated from IIT Bombay in 2010, and since then I've been working in my grad school studies as well as a year at Mount Sinai, and then back to my PhDs at Tulane University. For most of my studies, I have been working on improving protein expression of difficult to express proteins. So for my PhD, I was working on membrane proteins, specifically GPCRs, which are primary drug targets currently in the market. And I was trying to improve membrane protein expression there. Uh, when I was looking for a career opportunity for industry, I was looking for opportunities for difficult to express protein, and IGM caught my eye. We are the global leaders in manufacturing in clinical development of engineered IgM antibodies, and this opportunity was very exciting for me.
Okay. So glad to hear about you and IGM Biosciences as well. So which topic you will be covering in this upcoming course?
As an early careers development scientist, I will try to cover microbial and mammalian process development in regards to upstream process development. Provide an overview of what's expected or what is it required to scale up a process from your benchtop shake flask to commercially viable option of like 500 or 1,000 or 2K bioreactors. I would also be talking about scale up challenges as you're going from a smaller scale to the larger scale.
Okay. Sir, how you feel the participants would be benefited from this course?
Uh, This course is an exciting opportunity for participants to learn about what goes on in different industries and learn from perspective of different scientists around the world that are facing the same problems and how they have come up with creative and innovative solutions to solve some of the common problems that everyone is facing.
Yeah, I totally agree. I totally agree.
Yeah.
So, what you feel a PhD or a young scholar, what he or she should expect from this course?
For them, it's a good opportunity to first of all listen to what people are talking so that they can identify problems that everyone is facing. But another thing is to network. It's a good opportunity to meet other people, get associated with different organizations. One such one would be American Chemical Society BIOT division, which is also I will say, a sister organization at this point for this organization, where there are similar researchers and scientists in the around the world that are also associated with this organization. It's a good opportunity for people to network and also try to understand what's happening internationally.
Yeah, exactly. As you already mentioned about networking, so I like to ask you, are you looking for any networking opportunities with the attendees and the participants in this course?
I will say that's always the goal. Anytime you're at a conference or a meeting or a professional course as well, the goal is not only to learn what's being presented to you, but also talk to other people and learn about some of those challenges that they're facing. Some You can only have a little bit of detail in your presentation, and people may talk more broadly with you afterwards about what they are facing and how they have solved that problem. So do reach out. If you see me, feel free to reach out to me. I am happy to talk to more people, and I would also be hunting down some people that I really want to talk to and build up my own network. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you. I totally agree. Like it's the science and the interaction as well. Like with different
Yeah.
interaction comes different perspective, and different perspective gives a different science. So yeah,
Yeah.
I totally agree to that. So I really
And
like to thank you, sir, for your like valuable
yeah,
inputs and thoughts. We are really looking forward to the session and attending your course for
yeah.
sure.
One more thing I would like to add there for an advice for early scientists. The third thing I would like to add is also, I know people have focus of like upstream, downstream, analytical, quality, manufacturing. They may have something in mind that their vision of joining would be, but always try to meet the other side and what they are doing and what problems they are facing, because at the end of the day, your protein or your molecule that you're working with to bring to clinic has to go through all of those hurdles from each team. So if you can get basic understanding of what's going on in all of those avenues, you would be more successful in your career path.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thank you. Thank you so much for this takeaway message for us.
Yeah.
So, thank you, sir. At the last, I really like to thank you for spending time for us. Yeah, thank you. We're
Okay.
looking.
Thank you.